Good morning. Hello. I hope you had a great weekend. My name is David, and I am the general manager of SendFox. And today I am so excited because I'm going to show you the 3 things that every SendFox customer should do when they first join SendFox. These 3 things are going to help you send emails easier. They're going to help you get subscribers faster, even if you're starting from zero. And they're going to help you automate your email process so that you're growing your audience, especially as a content creator. So right now, I am in Noah Kagan's account, and he's the Chief Sumo of Sumo Group, and I'm going to show you how we built these features and how they work for you using Noah's account as a real example. So you're going to get a cool inside peek at how we manage Noah's email list of almost 200,000 subscribers. So the first thing that every customer should do as soon as they join SendFox is click this Smart Campaigns button right here in the upper right. The first time I go to this page, I'm going to see some area on the left-hand side to manage my content sources. Also right here up on the right-hand side, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. And managing my content sources means I can add my social media, and I can add my blog URL, my podcast URL, my YouTube URL. And as soon as you add that, we actually automatically pull the feed from that. So you can just give us your straight up blog URL or your podcast URL, and we'll pull the data for you. Now, once that's added, I'm going to go back into emails, and I'm going to click Smart Campaigns again. And you'll notice that for Noah, we have all these pre-selected. So these are all the web presence sources, and these are the content pieces that are going to be automatically generated in an email. How cool is that? Automatically generated. So once this is configured and weekly newsletter is enabled, I'm going to go back here and I'm going to click this generate icon. And also your weekly newsletters will be generated every single Sunday evening. So it's ready for you Monday morning when you're back into work, and it's going to have your best content from the week. So I'm going to go ahead and click this to show you in real time what it's like. So I go ahead and click that. And this Smart Campaign is generated. And I'm going to go ahead in there. And now what I can do is I can go into this email, and I can click all these pieces of content. I can verify everything. I can change around the copy. But it automatically generated this based on Noah's feeds, based on Noah's URLs. And it's ready for him every single Monday morning, so he can just do some quick edits and send this out to his subscriber list. And once it's ready, I can just click save, and then I can click schedule right here and schedule for a specific time. Now, the second thing I'm going to show you is smart pages. Now, your first time joining SendFox, you're actually going to have a smart page ready for you. So all you need to do is go here and click edit, and you can change around your smart page as you want. You can enable the feed page so that it shows your best content. And what that looks like is if I go back here, and then I click this drop down again and I click view, here's what it looks like for Noah. So this is some text we changed around. We added Noah's logo in the edit screen. And then once we enable the feed page, this wonderful little let me read first area comes up first. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And it shows all of Noah's content from those same web presence sources. So the web presence generates your emails, and it shows your content, so that it's a central hub for all your newsletters, all your videos, all your articles, all your podcasts, your Twitter right now with Facebook and Instagram coming in the near future. And you can share this with people, and they can also just click the subscribe right here. And they can subscribe via Facebook and with their normal email address. So that's the second thing. Smart pages are the second thing. Now, the third thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go back into SendFox, and you're going to want to click this little hamburger menu drop down, click settings right here, and then click subscriber referrals. So subscriber referrals are those things that you might have seen in the email morning brew, or you might have heard of Tim Ferriss playing with. And they're the best way to incentivize your current customers to bring you new customers. Your current email subscribers to bring you new email subscribers. Your email subscribers act as salespeople for you. So for Noah's list, here's what we did. We made sure to enable this. Then we put the title, then we put the blurb. We made sure the color match. We put a title for the area, and then we picked prizes. So if someone gets this number of referrals, if they refer this amount of people, they get cool prizes. Now, what this email looks like is if I go into my email, I actually sent myself a smart campaign right before this recording. I click this. This is the exact email that we send, or this is the exact email that we generate as part of that smart campaign. And again, you can change around the copy. We automatically pull the description, so you can change that around. Now at the very bottom, here's where you have this wonderful referrals area. So this is what it looks like for people receiving your email. They get their unique referral link, they see the prizes that incentivize them to share, and they go to a referral hub that has more information. It shows the prizes and a wonderful little carousel view. It shows my referral count. It shows my next prize I can get. It shows the prizes at the bottom. So it's a great way to turn your existing subscribers into salespeople to drive more subscribers for you. So now going back into SendFox, those are the 3 things you're going to want to do. They take under 5 minutes to set up. You're going to want to define your web presence so you can generate smart campaigns and do that weekly or manually with this generate button. You're going to want to make sure your smart page is set up and it's pulling in content so that you have an awesome page like this that you can share with people and your friends. So for Noah, it's just sendfox.com/Noah. And then you want to make sure your referral hub is set up and your referrals are defined so that at the bottom of your emails, as well as the referral hub page, it helps incentivize your existing subscribers to send more emails. So that is SendFox. Big 3, we're calling it the big 3 features that you should use. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can email support@sendfox.com. Can't wait to help you grow your email audience, and we'll talk more soon.